Hi, I'm just going to record a quick addendum to my full step-by-step guide of connecting make.com to WIX to answer some of the questions that I've had in the comments. I think it's just easier to do it this way. So I'm just going to do a very quick app setup and connect it to Make and focus on the issues raised by in the comments. So you go into custom apps, and I'm going to create one just from scratch for this. Build from scratch, self-hosted, get started. And for speed, I'm not going to change anything here. Going to add permissions. And I'm just going to turn on the WIX data. Basically everything to do with data, just for the sake of this demo. It's a bit laggy, the mouse, apologies for that. Hit save. So now I've got all the permissions. And now it goes straight to testing the app. Test app dashboard. Ignore all of this, just test app. I'm going to put it on to digitizing events again. And remember, this connection only works on premium sites. So both of my sites are on Plus. I've got one on Core. I haven't tested it with that. I don't know if there is a limitation there. So if anybody figures that out, let me know. So agree and add. View all apps. You'll notice that I have not put any of the callback information or anything like that in here yet. So it's now on here, my new app. Now I go over to Make. Now that I've done that first edition, I go back into the app. Then in here, go into Auth. They've changed the interface slightly. And only now, when you have added it to your site, do you add these two custom authentication things. So go back to here, copy that, put it in. Made a slight mistake. Get the other one, put it in. Done that, and hit save. Now Make. So I've created a new team, so it's completely vanilla. Add a new scenario. No, I don't want to enroll. Go to WIX. And I always do this make an API call. but you can do any of the others because all we need to do is create a connection. And now go back to my app. Where is it? There it is. Copy that. Put in the app ID. Get the secret. And as I always say, I will delete this app. So these two things won't work. Hit save. Now it runs through the authorization. Select the same site. Agree and add. And now you're connected. And just to prove that you're connected, I've put in a query that I know works, which is pulling some content from the blog that I built. If you right-click, run this module only, there you go. You've now got all the data items. So just to recap, as crazy as it sounds, do not add those callback items until you have first done the test process and the app you're using to connect with Make appears on your chosen website. Again, this will only work on premium with premium WIX plans, so it won't work with the free plan. And only when you've done that first step, go back, add the callbacks, and then create the and then create your connection here, and you go through the same thing again. I know it sounds weird, but those steps in that order are the most important thing. Create the app, give it the permissions you want, whichever ones you want, test it and add it to the production site you want to use it. Only then go back into the app and add those legacy redirect URLs as per the documentation, i.e. these two, and only when you've put those two in, go and make the connection in Make. So I hope this helps. It's slightly a slightly shorter video, but it's still 8 minutes long. It's the sequence of those steps that's just integral to all of it. I have no idea why, but that's how it works. All right, take care. Thank you.